Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of techriver. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing how we can add any link to the profile of your TikTok account. So if you just want to know about this trick, follow my video instruction. First of all, open the TikTok application in your iPhone or Android device, then go click on profile. Once you click here on the profile, you can see I don't have any link just in my TikTok account, so want to add that, you have to hit 1k. It's very important. After you got you 1k followers in your TikTok account, go click here on the right, click on setting and privacy, then go click on account, and you have switch to business account. So we go click on next and choose any of them from this list. So I'm going to use other, which is over here on down. So go click on next, then you have to type your email and go add it. Once you're done, just go click on create now, and you can see our business accounts ready, all has been done. And we go click on exit, and you can see we can add our link by clicking over here on edit profile, and you can see we can add our YouTube and Instagram too. It's very easy. But we have website, go tap over here and type any link, or you can write about yourself. For example, I write www.youtube.com, and when I refresh it, I got that link over here on my build. So I'm going to click to open that. Is it going to work? Yeah, absolutely, it's working. I'm just now in YouTube. So it's all about how you can set a link just here on your TikTok profile. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.